Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to remote domain controller gracefully. If we have decided that particular server will no longer work as a domain controller now, we need to remove this from Active Directory. There are two common ways. First, gracefully demotion. Second is metadata cleanup. Gracefully demotion is done if domain controller is in working condition and Active Directory is also in working condition. Metadata cleanup is done if domain controller is not in working condition or domain controller has been decommissioned already. In this video, I will cover gracefully demotion of domain controller. So I have logged into my domain controller which I want to demote gracefully. So if you open the Active Directory and see, this is my domain controller that I want to demote. And just to confirm correct server name here, I will just run the command. Okay, we are correct server. So before going ahead, we just should run one or two command. Grep admin show it's just to see the replication status among the domain controller or between the domain controller. So it's just showing fine. We can also run replsum. Okay. This is also looking fine. Now what we need to do, we just go here, go to manage, go to remove and feature, select next, ensure that here you can see collect server name, next, uncheck the box, this one, select this. Here you can read supply the credential to perform this operation. So kindly check that the the account is here, must have domain admin or enterprise access. Select next, select this box and next. Here you need to type new password. What will happen? That new password will become a password for your local credentials on that particular server, because it will not work as a domain controller, but it will remain as a member of Active Directory, and admin account will remain also there, and that will work for that particular account. I will show you how to do that. So you can choose any meaningful password, or it would be good. It is complex as well. Remember that, or mention somewhere in your board, some board or anything. Bold is not required actually, but you should remember or mention or note down at any secret place something. The process has started. So we are not going to do anything here. So this is my another domain controller. Here we can open some dsa.msc command. So as soon as this server is removed or demoted as a domain controller, you will see it will be removed from here. Last time you saw that was there. in the active directory and it will move here. Okay, okay. That is one of the sign that okay, it has been removed as a domain controller or demoted as a domain controller. And there are some DNS entry that we want to check here. One minute. Okay. So please note whenever you are demoting your domain controller, it will be removed from this fold this location and it will be moved to this location. As I said, it will not work as a domain controller now, but it will remain as a member server of your Active Directory. If you go here, you see name server. Last time when I checked, there were two server here, DC01 and ADC01. Now it is only the one. And if you go here, anything, I will cover this later, but just giving you some heads up. Earlier, that server was so domain controller was showing entry here as well, and so many other things. I will cover that in the next video, but just wanted to show you for heads up that you can check. One more thing, it will go to Active Directory signed in service. So whenever you are demoting your domain controller, please note down in which site it was, because in the production environment we are having almost 100 and 200 sites depending on the your critical environment or size of active environment. So you just know where it was so that you can just go open Active Directory site and services, go to particular site. Here I'm only having single site, so it is easy for me to remember that it was there, but it may be difficult for you to remember. So you can just check, and you can also check in from the Active Directory whenever you are just want to know in which site it is. So domain control name will be here and site name will be here, so you can just note down somewhere. So whenever we are moving this gracefully, this entry is not removed actually automatically, so we need to come here and delete this. That is the only thing that we are doing manually if everything is fine. Okay, so as I told you, that server has been rebooted and I came here. Muttu will also work because it is also domain admin for this account. I can just try with my password. Okay, if you go here, 1 minute. If you go here, you will see the server is still in the part of my domain, kind.lan. And one more thing, if you go to computer management, most of the time administrator name remains same, but sometimes it is changed. So, but you can just use, I can use by using this account with the password that I selected. For example, I can show you. Sign out. I want to use with my local credentials. I put the name of my computer ADC01. Name has not been changed. ADC01 Excel administrator TRATOR. This is the password that I chose while demoting. Yes, I can log in. Here it is showing promote as domain controller. Our task has been completed. If you want to, you can just go manage again and see if this role is there or not. You can select remove this role, and after that this notification will be removed. You can also remove this one, and after that this notification will be removed because we do not want to keep this notification. It is not giving any harm, but depends up to you. If you want to remove, you can remove. Otherwise, our task got completed as soon as it was rebooted, and we deleted this server from Active Directory site and services. Now it is asking for reboot. I can reboot. So that's all for this video. If you learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.